Man, I had to re-grab another pack of these electric toothbrushes because these are just the best, y'all. Okay, so I grabbed one before, and it was just one. It didn't come with no, refillable, or it didn't come with no extra brush heads and nothing. And I had been using that for a while, just because I love it so much. And like I mean, it works properly. It keeps your teeth clean. I like having clean teeth. I like having very healthy teeth and healthy gums. And so I count on this toothbrush to do the trick. The benefit about this pack specifically is that this comes with 6 brush heads. And it's electric, but it's rechargeable for home and everything like that. So it's a very cool toothbrush to have, man. So if you guys are looking for a new toothbrush, look no further. Grab yourself one of these, a set of these, and it'll get you right. All right, highly recommend, y'all. Peace.